Good afternoon. This is a lesson on why it's important to cut off the seed stems of your hosta plant. You can see these right here. These are fairly small ones, but some hostas have 2-3 times bigger than these seeds. One of mine, Blue Mammoth, it has huge seeds, and it has about 15 of these seed stems. So you can imagine how much energy that takes away from the plant. This solid color one right here, that one, the seeds, what you would get from it, you would probably get some crinkling. You'd probably get a blue-green or a green, but it also, what you get from those seeds would involve what plant pollinated it. So if a bee came and took this and then went to that plant and pollinated the flower on that plant, then those seeds would produce you something like, however, not this variegation, but it would either be a dark green, or if it were with this plant right here, it might be yellow. But with this one, of course, you're going to get a solid color back. Variegated hostas, however, are different. The variegation of hostas does not pass on through the seeds. If I wanted another one of these, I would have to dig it up and divide it. This one, like this is a 2-color green. It's it will not be like that. And again, with these even, it would be what other plant pollinated the flowers on this one.